What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Shop Talk episode. I am Adam Hill. This is Mike, and this is Alex. And we are here today to talk about getting a location for your vending machines, okay? This is by far, right, number one. Everyone wants to know, how do you get a location for your vending machines? So what we're gonna do today in this video is go over some keys and some aspects of how you can get those machines out and get them placed. So with that, Alex, you want to kind of touch on some keys to getting locations for vending machines?
Yep, there's a whole bunch of strategies and ways to do it. You can get a location that already has machines, or you could get a new location and place your machines there.
Right.
The two ways. So you can buy the location, which could include machines or not.
Right. Buying a lead or buying an actual account. Buying an existing route, which I kind of think is for beginners might be a good way to go, because you already have the machines there. Mm-hmm. You don't have to pay to get them moved. You don't have to pay to get them installed. They're already on location. You just implement the game plan and fill them up, mm-hmm. right?
Yeah, could start that way and then add locations, as time goes on. But buying it's very important that you buy, the money aspect, that you buy for the right value. Valuations come into play at that point.
Well, it's a double-edged sword, because if you buy, right, Mike, if you buy a location and it has terrible pricing and horrible commissions, what's going to happen? You're going to lose a lot of money.
Lose your ass, yeah.
Right. And you don't want to get into vending to lose money.
Yeah.
You want to do it to make money, which you got to be able to qualify.
Yeah, getting a location is huge on being able to qualify an account, know the value of the account to see if it's worth either buying or however you're going to get the account. You need to know basically what the account's going to pull for you to know whether it's worth it or not.
And whether you qualify that from, if you're buying it, whether you qualify that with receipts, credit card sales receipts, or mm-hmm. however you get those numbers, you need to verify that it's doing what people are saying it's doing.
Mm-hmm. Right, because that determines what equipment goes in there. Mm-hmm. You could have used equipment already in this account you're looking to buy, but that equipment isn't worth anything, and it's going to mm-hmm. crap out on you. And it's going to, each part, every couple of months, it's going to crap out on you, and you're going to have to get new equipment anyway.
Right. So you're buying the account with the equipment, but you're going to have to go and upgrade it anyway. So you're not. What are you really buying? You're not. All that equipment isn't really worth much. So mm-hmm. These are all strategies and stuff that
different moving parts when it comes to getting a location, mm-hmm. which is the hardest thing to do in vending.
Yeah, you don't want to go off hearsay either. There's a lot of things you can do, a lot of little indicators that will tell you, little tricks and tips that will indicate whether an account is lucrative or not. You don't ever want to go off hearsay. You can be told and misled, by certain things.
So and basically what we're going to offer now to anyone who wants it with Hill Vending is a location package. How to get a location? Okay, it's going to be under the basic premise of the saying, "Teach a man to fish," or teach a man to fish, or what is it, Mike?
It's give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day. Teach a man to fish, teach a man to fish, he will eat for a lifetime.
Yeah. So let's face it. There's location services out there that you can pay them anywhere from $100 to $500 to find one location for you. What we at Hill Vending want to do, we put together this package with the same way that we get accounts. We put that together, and we want to teach you that so that you pay one time, and then that you can go out and replicate that, okay? Because we don't want you to have to come back time after time to get an account. We want to teach you how to get an actual account. But going into that, you need what? Strategy, right?
Right. Yep. You need strategy. You need money, financing. I mean, there's a lot you need. You need education.
I mean, vending is filling machines, and that part is extremely easy. That's the easiest part of vending, is filling machines. There's a lot of back-end things that come along with that, and it's important to have it structured to where you only have to worry about the easy part. Structure your business to where all you're worried about is the easy part of filling machines.
So basically with this package, with this location package, what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to go get your own vending locations, okay? We're going to tell you how to buy, what to look for when buying or acquiring, complete list of what to ask over the phone to qualify the account. If you're going the marketing side of it, when you're in front of a boss, how do you get that account? We're going to go over that. But the most important part that we're going to include in all this is the ongoing support, okay? We're going to support you until you get your first location, okay? So no one, who else is out there promising that? Because we want you to be successful. We want you to win. Okay. So we're going to provide a link that you can click on that package. It's going to be $500. It's worth way more than that because you're going to learn the strategy of how we go and get big time accounts with the same strategy. And, you know, you can implement it whether you want 1 account, 2 account, or 5 accounts, but you only have to pay 1 time. So it's good to learn. We can't stress enough, right, the value of education. And whether it's us, whether you want to buy our package or not, we're still going to make money. We're going to be fine.
Yeah.
But it's a value that you need to get educated.
Yeah, do something to educate yourself, definitely.
Yeah. And if you get that from watching YouTube videos or watching, you know, on Instagram, and you can figure it out.
Yeah, piece it together. And,
Then then that's the way you learn. Then that's okay. But if you want a structured format to go step by step, accountability, help along the way, that's what this is about. So if you're interested, click the link. But again, getting a location is part of the 3 keys to vending. The first is location, the second is machines, and the third is service. This first part is important, but it's only one of 3. You know, you still need
Got to start with the location, though. That's where everything starts, guys.
So if you're interested, again, check that out. And until next time, keep your drinks cold.
And your snacks fresh.
See you guys.
Oh, that was a little